Have you ever tried Axoni, that intriguing fermented soybean product that brings a touch of exotic to every dish? It's the secret weapon of Northeast Indian cuisine, especially among the Naga community. Imagine walking into a kitchen filled with earthy umami aromas. The beauty of Axoni is in its simplicity, made mostly from soybeans and a lot of patience. It transforms regular dishes into something extraordinary. The process takes weeks, but the depth it brings to flavors is worth every minute. Trust me, patience is your best friend here. Now let's dive into the process. Start by soaking 2 cups of soybeans overnight. The soaking softens them, making the next steps easier and the end product tastier. It's like a culinary spa day for your soybeans, essential for achieving that perfect fermentation. After they're well soaked, boil the soybeans until they're soft. This should take about 2 hours. So don't rush it. Okay. You want them tender enough to mash with ease. If you're wondering, the texture is key. It's all about nailing that melt in your mouth vibe. And now comes the mashing. Use a stone pestle or a simple kitchen masher. Mash until they're pasty and slightly chunky. And this texture is crucial. You're aiming for a happy medium. Imagine molding the ideal clay, manageable yet firm. Pro tip, add a sprinkle of salt as you mash for enhanced flavor. Once mashed, pack the mixture into banana leaves. The banana leaves aren't just for aesthetics. They infuse their own subtle flavor during fermentation. And wrap tightly, then secure with string. It's like tucking the soybeans in for their transformative nap. Remember, fermentation is a waiting game. Store the wrapped soybeans in a warm, dry place for at least 2 weeks. It's like giving them a mini vacation where they mature into their fermented selves. And like any good vacation, it's never rushed. Opening up the banana leaves after 2 weeks is like unwrapping a food lover's present. The Axoni should have a strong, pungent smell, a sign of successful fermentation. This aroma might surprise you, but that's how you know it's authentic. What do you cook with it? You can stir it into pork dishes or add it to vegetable stews. The rich, robust flavor gives a whole new dimension to these dishes. Think of it as a super umami upgrade that makes every bite sing. And here's a pro tip. Moderation is key. And Axoni's flavor is intense, and a little goes a long way. And start with a small quantity and, adjust to your taste. Overwhelming your dish would be a rookie mistake, and I'm here to ensure you avoid that. The more you experiment, the more uses you'll find for Axoni. It's like opening Pandora's box of culinary potential. Use it in soups or experiment with salads. It's versatile, making it a staple once you've fallen in love with its unique taste. So give it a try. Like you won't regret stepping out of your comfort zone. And Axoni's bold and earthy flavors might just cement a permanent place in your cooking repertoire. From my Portland kitchen to yours, let's embrace the world. One fermented soybean at a time.